Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue official channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to add a social media on your blogger's blogspot website. As you can see here, I have a force code that you can easily edit it by yourself or add it by yourself by using the code in the link in the description below. So go ahead or don't hesitation. So go to see my description and then copy and paste. It is very easy way to do that. No need to know experience. So as you can see here, I have one Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So we have already added icons and the hover animation like this. So it is support for some blogger theme. So make sure that you have a new version of the blogger themes, blogger template. So make sure that your template is a new version. And today we have 2022, and I hope you guys have more upper than this. So it will support all of this function. So now let's get started. First, you need to go to your blogger.com and then sign in to your accounts. And after that, you're gonna find some place that you really want to do. For example, this place is at the other side. Now you make sure that you have a 3 column between all this. This one is, we call it a body post. So it is inside the body post main post here. And this place is popular post. So it is here. And this place is we can say recent popular comment, or we can see an archive. So you can see the place is just among all of the 3 parts between this circle. So you make sure that you can put it everywhere with this Gadget get here. So and also this one, and everywhere just inside it. So now go ahead and click on this one here, or this one, or anywhere that you see this. So click on that and then choose the HTML and JavaScript here. Click on that and you will see the content here. So now I have this code here. So select all of this code here, just select like this, and then right click on that and copy all, and then pass it in just inside this place here, and then click on save. So now click on save, and now we have one JavaScript is appearing like this, and you can drag it to this place, or this place, or anywhere that you really want to make them appearing. After that, you're gonna click on save here. So you have to wait about 5 or 10 seconds to make it completely saved. Now your blog has been already saved. So now let's check it out by right click on that and open link in the new tab here. So now you got all of these things. And if you really want to move it up or down, for example, you want to show this social media is appearing just below all of this word. So you need to drag it, go back to this layout again, and then drag it to be below like this, and drag it until you put it until it stay below on the word that you really want to do, and then click on save again. And this time it will showing you or appearing you to be below part. So let's refresh the page to see, and now you can see it is appearing below now. or you can also add anywhere anything just inside all of these things. For example, for you now, I'm gonna drag it to this place here and then click on save. Okay, wait a few seconds. Okay, now gonna refresh it again, and you will see everything is completely fit to the site. As you can see, from this place to this place is very large size, but when you are using a small size, it will auto generate to a small size by itself. So this is the way that you can use this function. So I hope you guys understand how to do this, and this code is completely free, so you need to download it inside my video description below. So thank you.